I think that one of the biggest mistakes boaters, new and old, make is we're not patient. We feel like we have to be doing something all the time. Boating is about working smarter, not harder, right? So why do we do all these fancy maneuvers when Mother Nature sometimes is here to help us? So I want to park this boat hip too. I've got wind coming in. It's pretty much going to put me onto the dock. I'm going to live in neutral. Remember, boating is boring. You don't always have to be doing something. I'm coming in at an angle. The boat's going to be pushed bow in because the wind is here. So all I'm going to do is take the ride in. Now what I'm going to do at the last minute, I'm going to turn into the dock. I'm going to go ahead and bump rear. That's going to stop my forward motion. It's going to start sticking in and tucking in my stern, and I'm going to let Mother Nature put me right on this dock. If I want to help her a little bit, I can go hard to my left, give her a little bump forward, and then same thing, right back to the right, bump back, and then I just sit and wait, and Mother Nature is going to pretty much go ahead and dock me. I don't always have to be doing something when you're docking a boat or anytime on a boat. Work with Mother Nature, know where she's at, and look at that. Without a thing, by golly, I think this boat's going to dock itself. Who says there's no autopilot, right? Better than a Tesla. Follow me for more Boating 101 and the Boating Boot Camp. Super easy.